My mom mad cause I'm rarely ever home. Cause I do it all with a passion. Trying to get up.
Guys, and welcome to another video. For today's video, we are gonna just spend the day together, just showing some things that I'm doing with my son here in LA. Right now we're running a little bit late. We need to get to the library for story time. We're gonna finish our oatmeal and we're gonna head to the library. Here in LA, there are a lot of these Waymo cars, self-driving. I see them every day and I'm so curious about it. So I decided today that is how we're getting to the library. All right guys, so here is my Waymo. It has my name at the top. It says TT. Is it just open? Gotta figure out how do we get inside. Unlock. Okay.
Good morning, Tiana.
Good morning. Okay, so we are in the car. It's really nice. Let me show you guys around. There's the front. No one's driving. It greets you. It says hello. It has my name. And I have the baby buckled in. So, oh, I gotta buckle up. Okay, I'm buckled up. Let's start.
Hello from Waymo. As
Oh my
we
gosh.
get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. Relax, and thank you for riding with us.
So there's some music playing. I have an option to pull the car over, turn up the volume, and talk to support. I can't believe I'm doing this. It's really nice and comfortable, but it's just strange. Like, no one is driving and we're moving. Cyrus doesn't know the difference. He's just chilling. Thanks for the ride. Bye-bye. Wow. This is the largest library I've ever seen. Like, why is the library this big?
What you got there? Sai. What you got there?
Tell them how was story time. That you had fun and you played and you made some friends and you're loving it.
Three hours later.
Ready to go? Said it's gonna be at C. This one. I'm one of those people that like say they're swimming, but they're really just walking.
Trying to get all I've imagined. I got that fire, that magic. I promise I will not be average, 'cause I do it all with a passion, passion.
What do you like more, the bath or the pool? Huh? So Sai has had his bath, and now it's time for dinner. He's having a batel with some mashed sweet potato. Actually, it's baked sweet potato. Some avo slices and some little slices of beef. One of the things I never saw coming about being a mom is how sensitive the topic of food is. Whether we're talking about the early stages when you're deciding, am I gonna breastfeed? Am I gonna do formula? For me, I planned on doing breastfeeding, and then when it turned out that he was gonna have to stay in the NICU, he was there for 1 month. That was challenging to keep my supply going while being distant from him, because they say one of the things that helps you produce milk is just like being with your baby. They tell you to cuddle your baby. So it was just crazy. We were at the hospital all the time. Yeah, and then I kept my milk supply for 6 months. I wanted to breastfeed for 1 year, and I only got to do 6 months before my supply just disappeared. Literally, I was sleeping one night, and in the middle of the night, I just felt all the milk just disappear from my body. It is the craziest sensation or experience I've ever had. On one hand, it was really emotional, like, oh my gosh, I'm not making it to my goal. I mean, I wasn't exclusively like breastfeeding at my boobs. I was pumping, storing milk, this and this and that, and that was just crazy. Just walking around with a pump attached to you every couple of hours, literally crying over spilled milk. It was very emotional. And then he started being on formula at 6 months onwards, which at first it was scary, but then I realized a happy baby is a fed baby. Whatever you're feeding your baby, as long as they're growing and they're healthy. Introduction of the solids was another contentious topic. I had family wanting to influence me to introduce solids earlier, then the doctor tells you something different, and then you don't know who to listen to, your doctor or your family. And when it got time to where his doctor agreed with my family that he could have solids, it was like making time for baby food. Making baby food from scratch, or feeding him store-made baby food, and then you're hearing things like, oh, it's not good, it's not healthy, and just trying to schedule the time to do that. Like when you're a new mom, like every time something new is thrown into your routine or schedule, I was just like, how? When am I supposed to do that? Ooh. Okay, let's have some meat. I wasn't happy with like the baby food. It was stressful because I don't know what's good for him, what's not. I didn't like taking time to make him food and then make our families food, and then sometimes I don't even have time to eat for myself, you know? Like, so now that he's happy to eat, you know, whatever I'm eating, that has been the best scenario for us. But I never expected that I would get stressed out or cry or worry about like what my baby's eating. I didn't know that was a thing. It was a little challenging to get through the day, carrying a bunch of stuff and also dealing with a busy baby. You can see how busy he is. He's always walking, grabbing stuff, pulling me, hitting me, rolling, falling, walking. So yeah, it was a bit challenging, but it was so worth it. It was so worth it. We had so much fun. Did you have fun? That's what I try to make it about. I'm trying to give my son some really great experiences and memories. Not that he'll remember this stuff, but he will see it on YouTube. We're just gonna hang out here and play, and I'll see you guys for our bedtime routine. I'll show you how I put this busy baby to sleep. It's time to say goodnight.
Stars shining and the moon smiling. It's
Time to say goodnight. Good night, as I go to sleep. There is nothing more to do. You can go to bed. Success. The baby is sleeping. I hope he stays asleep for the rest of the night. Now that he's asleep, I can take care of me. I'm going to snack on some pineapples while I make dinner. I'm gonna make like a Chipotle style type of dinner. Then I'm gonna clean up, get some work done, some editing, some other stuff, take a shower, and sleep. That's it. That's pretty much how each day goes. Just spending time with the baby, making it all about him having fun, cool experiences, and then some alone time for me. I do want to watch a movie on Netflix. That's it, guys. I enjoyed hanging out with you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Passion. When I'm in the booth, I speak the truth. Man, all these fuckboys still only be talking about you. But none of these niggas could even last walking in my shoes. I'ma make it to the top, pops.